Let's go under. There's a few things I have to keep an eye on under here. And one of them is the drive shaft. So, with that mounted right there, here's my drive shaft. That's pretty close. So I might need to move that over a little. Might need to move it over a little. Can do though. Yeah, let's move that over. Oh, let's see if we can get it over another ½ inch in that direction there. Yeah. Now, I don't know how much you can tell by what you're looking at, but this is where that thing's going to come down through the floor. I want it to sit at an angle because I want this thing, this little neck thing right here, to have good clearance from the drive shaft. There will be a little hangy down bit of lever right here, but I think it's good as far as having plenty of clearance from the drive shaft. Now what I've done is I put this piece of metal up here to fill up the rest of the hole, wedged it in with a screwdriver and my Leatherman, and I should be able to go up top now and put the hole handle in place on it. Let's see what I did is kind of filled up the hole there. And now my shift handle facing me. This should go over here, like this. Yeah, I have to cut the camera off while I look for that nut that goes right here. Dang, right back.